Let's discuss rhomboid major and minor, the origin, the insertion, and their function. Let's start by looking at the anatomy and function of rhomboid major and rhomboid minor. So let's start by looking at location and structure. So the rhomboid minor is located above the rhomboid major, and it originates from the spinal processes of C7 and T1. Now, the rhomboid major lies directly below the rhomboid minor and originates from the spinal processes of T2 to T5. Now, both muscles insert along the medial vertebral border of the scapula, with the rhomboid minor attaching higher on the scapula than the rhomboid major. Now, together, the rhomboid major and minor retract, so they pull the scapula towards the spine. They elevate and rotate the scapula downwards, and they play a really important role in stabilizing the shoulder blade, especially during movements like pulling. Now let's think of easy ways to remember information about the rhomboids. So the minor is on top, so rhomboid minor sits above rhomboid major, similar to how minor comes before major alphabetically. Now this helps remember their relative positions. Now the rhomboids are named after their shape, which is roughly a rhombus-like or diamond shape. Now visualize the muscle as two diamond shapes running between the spine and the shoulder blades, helping to pull the shoulder blades back. Remember spine to scapula, so that's how we remember the attachment. So both rhomboids attach from the spine, so the spinal processes, to the scapula, the medial border. So remember S to S to recall their general attachment points. Exercise association. So think of exercises like rows or scapular retractions when you remember the rhomboid's function in pulling and stabilizing the scapula. Picture a rowing motion as it directly engages the rhomboids to pull the shoulder blades together. Now in summary, the rhomboid minor sits above the rhomboid major, and it will attach onto C7 to T1. The rhomboid major is below the rhomboid minor, and it attaches to T2 to T5. Actions: scapular retraction, elevation, and downward rotation.